Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. The AMD server install detected AMD graphic hardware in your system configuration but is not supported. There are three possible causes. The first one is embedded, second legacy, the last is OEM system. So for the AMD Radeon, the embedded one, you can download the driver and support manually by select graphics, select Radeon embedded and search for your graphic card. For example, the HD series HD5770 embedded. You can click and submit and you can find the driver there. Second, this is the legacy or the old GPU that you have. Maybe you have the ATI, not the AMD Radeon, but still the ATI. Or this is the desktop version. You can find the list here. If your graphic card listed here, desktop, mobile and APU, it means you need a legacy hardware. Here you can visit driver support and use browse product, for example the graphic, and click legacy graphic and select your old graphic card. You can find your driver there, the ATI Catalyst driver. Last one is OEM system. So you can find this OEM system for you can obtain the latest driver from the official website. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.